What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making creamy garlic chicken and broccoli. We hope y'all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need chicken breast, broccoli, white onion, lemon, minced garlic, heavy whipping cream, cornstarch, chicken broth, seasonal, cayenne pepper, parsley, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. First, we're going to split our chicken breast in halves. Next, we're going to season our chicken with seasonal, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and parsley. And remember to season to your taste. Dice a half a white onion. Chop and separate your broccoli. Cut one lemon in half. Next, we're going to heat up our skillet and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place your chicken in your skillet and grill on each side for approximately 4 to 5 minutes or until fully cooked. In a separate skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Drop in your broccoli. Add 1/4 cup of water and saute your broccoli for about 4 minutes. Next, we're going to remove the broccoli from the skillet and place to the side. In the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add onions and saute them until they're translucent. Add in your garlic and saute them for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add a half cup of chicken broth. Add in 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Season to taste with seasonal, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, then mix. Squeeze in a half a lemon juice. Add cornstarch slurry, which is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water mix. Add broccoli and chicken to your cream sauce and simmer for 5 minutes. And there you have it, creamy garlic chicken and broccoli. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.